Hey guys, welcome to BM Sculptures. I'm Blake, and today I'm going to show you how I built this string pendant light. Now this is the same light that I built on season 3 of Making It, episode 3. Now if you don't already know, Making It is a show hosted by Amy Poehler and Nick Offerman, and it features artists from around the country that compete in challenges with given themes. You could watch me and all these other amazing makers on season 3. So be sure to check it out. It's on Hulu, Peacock, and on NBC. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's get right into materials. You want a glass container with a lid, some wood glue, balloons, twine or string, a large cup, and then the string lights with the bulbs. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is blow up your balloon. It doesn't matter what size, it's literally whatever you think this light is going to look best. So blow it up, tie it off, and then we're going to add some water to the glass jar as well as some wood glue. Now you're going to add probably around 3-4 ounces of water and then a couple ounces of wood glue. And the more the merrier, but I think a couple ounces would be fine. If you're doing this by yourself, poke a hole in the top of the lid and then put the entire roll of string inside the glass container. Next, you're going to thread the string through that hole in the lid and then shake everything to make sure the string is completely coated. Then you're going to simply wrap the balloon in all different angles to make sure it's as covered and coated as you please. Now my camera actually ran out of batteries, but here's the end result. I have it coated to where I think it looks good, and then you're just going to let this sit overnight. Alright, on for the second method, and this is with a partner. So, Jessica, come on over. Here's my wife, Jessica. Say hi. You're over there. So this is way easier with another person, and here's how you do it. So this time, instead of putting the entire spool of string in the glass jar, we're going to unspool as much string as we think we're going to use, and we're going to put that in the jar all by itself and then shake it thoroughly. What this is going to do is it's going to coat every square inch of this string much better than with it being on the spool. Maybe working by yourself is better. Okay, now that you have a blown up balloon, it's time to start. And you have one person kind of thread you the line out of that glass jar, and while the other one rotates it around. And this actually goes so much faster than doing it alone, and it coats the string so much better. So here both of them are finished. We have them sitting on their large cups to basically just dry and cure overnight. All right, it is the moment of truth. Let's pop these balloons and see how these turned out. Wow, that sounds so cool. It's so interesting that these popped completely different ways. And this shows you that this one right here that went like crinkled all the way down, that's because it had way more glue on the string than the other one that I did alone. So as you can see here, if you have a friend, it does go better. It will be sturdier and it will have more glue. Now the only thing left to do is tie in your string lights. Again, I have a link to these in the description, and let's see how these things are finished up. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to see this on live TV, check out season 3 of NBC's Making It, now on Hulu, Peacock, and NBC. I also make a little something else on this, so be sure to check it out. All right, until next time, over and out.